Yo, Quadrala, shoutout pala kay Ervin Buyayot. Shoutout sa iyo at ingat lagi and God bless. Bang!
Binabati ko ng isang maligayang kaarawan ng aking kaibigan na si Brother Ervin ng Cabancalan City, aka Noy Mahaw! Oh, brother, sana maging masaya ka sa kaarawan mo. Stay humble, keep grinding, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa. From Didso Tambiayero.
Happy birthday, Ervin Latusa Buyayot of Team Uwak. I wish you good health, more blessings. Enjoy your special day with your family and friends. God bless you always. Noy Mahaw. Wow!
Yo mga kabalan, si Kapitan Yonegale, Kapitan Kabalan nga Kawatan. Gusto ko lang i-greet ng happy birthday ang isa sa ginahangaan ko, very humble katama nga persona, nga vlogger, si Noy Nyapon. Noy Nyapon. Noy Mahaw. Ayan, Noy Mahaw, yan. Tol Ervin, happy birthday. Padayon lang, Tol. Padayon lang. Maintain lang tagyapon. Biyambo lang ta always kung ano man ang nalabot naton. Kung ano man ginahatag gracias ang Ginoo sa aton. Padayon lang tayo himo mayo adola. Hindi man tatanan perfecto pero himo lang tayo mayo always. Kag ikaw gid ang inspirasyon ko. Kung nga anangin mabuot ko nga tao, kung nga anangin humble ko nga tao, ikaw ang inspirasyon ko kay Noy Mahaw. Padayon na dola, ari lang ko di always dol, gasuporta sa imo kag gapalangga sa imo. Alright, mabuhay ka, Noy Mahaw. Happy birthday, Tol Ervin. God bless.
Happy birthday sa akon nga amigo. Maayo magtambling-tambling. Sikat nga vlogger. Pero humble sa gyapon, mabinuligon. Ervin Latusa Buyayot. Noy Mahaw. Team Uwak. Wow! Happy birthday dira sa imo. Oh. God bless kag kabay nga malambot nimo ang imong mga handom. Oh, sa liwat, happy birthday. Oh, anong pwede ko nga regalo sa imo? Siguro ari kalabasa lang gid. Oh. Ang wish ko sa imo, kabay nga tagan kagapon sing mayo nga lawas kag padayon lang sa imo nga kaayo.
Hi Urban! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hope you had a wonderful celebration tonight with great friends, family, and wishing you a really exciting, happy, and stay young. Have a good celebration.
Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Have a great night.
Have a great night. Bye.
Noy! Mao Noy! This is Manong Obs of Gagawan. Ginatamiya ko ulit isang happy birthday si Ervin Latusa Buyayot of Team Uwak. Pang more birthday to come and keep safe always. Noy! Mahaw! Wow!
Happy birthday gali sa akong miko diha nga si Ervin Latusa Buyayot, ang Team Uwak. Noy Mahaw. Wow! Happy birthday sa imo, Noy. Hope nga katagan ka pa nga mayong panginabuhi kag blessing sa imong kinabuhi.
Hi, I'm Marvel Andapo, known as Isabana Queen, and I would like to greet a happy birthday to Ervin Latusa Buyayot. Ayan, with 1.6 million followers her in Facebook, guys. And of course, hindi ko talaga na-imagine na napansin tayo niya even I am a small content creator pa here. But then, thank you so much. May palad-palad Kuya Ervin for noticing me. Of course, once again, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to Ervin Latusa Buyayot, Team Uwak. Noy Mahaw Noy. Wow! More birthday to come, idol.
Happy birthday sa akon nga friend nga sikat nga vlogger dira sa Kabangkalan kay Ervin Buyayot, no? Kauwak. Happy birthday. More blessing to come to you. Good health and prosperity. Happy birthday, Noy Mahaw.
Ayan po, gusto ko lang po i-greet ang aking Lodi na si Ervin Latusa Buyayot, Team Uwak, Noy Mahaw. Happy birthday sa'yo and more blessings to come and more birthday to come. Ayan, sa'yo Lods, maraming salamat at kahit ako ay isang small content creator, ako ay iyong nabibigyan ng pansin. Thank you so much once again. Happy birthday and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ervin Latoza Boyayot. More birthday to come and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Coach. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday, Tito Erwin. Noy Maha. Wow!
Noy, happy birthday. Te, why mahaw? Wow!
Hello, Sir Ervin Latoza Boyayot. Happy birthday to you. Team Uwak. Noy Mahaw.
Hi, Ervin Latoza Boyayot of Team Uwak. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hello, everyone. Today is May 22. Happy birthday, Tito Ervin Buyayot. Team Uwak. Noy Mahaw.
Happy birthday, Ervin Latoza. More birthday to come and God bless sa tibuok ni mong family and padayon sa imong pagkahambol, padayon sa imong pagkabuutan, sa imong mga followers, no? And daghang salamat and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ervin!
Noy Mahaw.
Happy birthday, Boss Erben. Noy, mahaw.
Happy birthday, Boss Ervin Latoza. Happy birthday, Idol. For tumbling pa ka. Stay guwapo. Ulam na. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Team Uwak. Happy birthday. God bless. Noy, mahaw.
Hi, Noy Mao. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Success in life. God bless.
Happy birthday, Noy Mahaw. Wow.
Happy birthday sa ating nag-iisang Noy Mahaw. Ayan, happy birthday. Balat lang kalitsyon ako, Noy.
Isang flex dyan, Idol. So, I want to greet happy birthday ni Idol Ervin Latoza Boyayot, Team Uwak, Noy Mahaw. Wow! Idol, happy birthday to you, Idol. And enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday gali sa mon nga idol nga si kay Idol Ervin Latoza Boyayot. Dol, happy birthday gali si mo dol ah. Ano mo wish? Wish ko lang halong kagid permay kag more birthday to come. Kag syempre good health kag long life sa imo idol. Tapos stay humble ka lang gid permi. Amo lang ni giling mambala mo si mo nga Noy Mahaw. Wow.
Hi, Idol. Happy birthday. Hopefully maging masaya ka today. Matupad lahat ng mga wishes mo. And yeah, enjoy your day. Stay mabait. Stay healthy as always. And more birthday to come.
Happy birthday to Ervin Latoza Boyayot, ang Team Uwak ng Kabangkalan City, Negros Occidental. God bless you, Idol, and more birthdays to come. Good health and enjoy your day. Ingat always, Idol. Noy Mahaw. Wow.
Hi, Idol. Ervin Buyayot. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hello no sa idol ko na Team Uwak no. Happy birthday sa mga idol no kay Ervin Latoza Boyayot no. Noy Mahaw. Wow! Happy birthday sa mga idol ah. More birthday to come no idol. God bless.
So what's up everyone? This is Boy Tumbling. I-greet na ko happy birthday si Ervin Latoza Boyayot no. Team Uwak. Mahaw Noy. Wak.
So good day no. Happy birthday lada sa aton nga grupo si Ervin Latoza Boyayot aka Noy Mahaw no. More birthday to come sa imo no. Why not sang iban nga handom ko di ang paghalong lagid permi kag pangamuyo. God bless mo idol. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Noy. I wish you all the best and may your dreams come true. Lalo na sa pagbablog. More followers to come. And good health. Happy birthday, Noy Mahaw!
Happy birthday, Sir Ervin! Noy Mahaw! Wow!
Hi, Idol. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Enjoy your vlog. Enjoy your talent. And enjoy ka mo ni Uwak. Ari lang kami nga imo taga-suporta from Iloilo City.
Happy birthdays sa former gymnast, coach, and trainer Ervin Latuza Buyayot, Team Uwak. Wish ko nga kabay nga more blessings to come this 2026 kag halong permis sa imong events sa fire dance kag sa different kinds of events nga imo ginakumpitan. Kag mula na, thank you so much and God bless.
Ben, happy birthday, Noy!
Noy Mahaw!
Kumpare, Ervin, happy birthday. Hope you have a blessed day. Noy Mahaw. Wow.
Happy birthday, dagali sa mabuot ko nga kumpari, Ervin Buyayot. Ang wish ko lang sa imo nga tagaan ka ni Lord sa maayong lawas, kag more birthday to comes, kag kabay nga mahalabot mo ang imo mga handom sa imo kabuhi, kag halong lang permi. God bless you and Noy Mahaw.
Hi! Binabati ko pala dyan sa Ervin Latuza Buyayot ng happy birthday. More birthday to comes. God bless and enjoy your day. Noy Mahaw! Happy birthday ulit! Enjoy!
Happy birthday nong Ervin Latuza Buyayot to Team Uwak. Noy Mahaw!
Hello, Idol. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Take care always and God bless.
Hi, Ervin, Noy Mahaw. I'd like to greet you happy birthday. Wish you all the best, more success and more blessings, especially in your career. And keep on inspiring people. Keep on teaching young ones for their talents. And again, happy birthday, Noy Mahaw, Ervin. God bless.
Hi friend! Happy birthday! I just want you to know that I'm so happy that you are my friend, and may you continue striving hard sa life, and may God bless you and guide you on your journey to achieve your dreams. And happy birthday once again! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo kasi ginusto mo yan. And Noy Mahaw! Wow!
Happy birthday sa amon frienda Ervin Buyayot. Mayo lang ang panglawason, kag stay humble, kag stay healthy. Tani gaan mo kami sang imo nga handa. Noy Mahaw wa Team Uwak.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ervin. Happy birthday, Boss Ervin Latuza Buyayot, Noy Mahaw. Wow! Happy birthday, Boss Ervin. God bless.